In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader for free on Windows 11. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a widely used application for viewing, printing, and annotating PDFs. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to visit the official Adobe website. Go to the Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. Now choose your operating system. Select your operating system and your preferred language. Download Acrobat Reader. Click the Download Acrobat Reader button and this will start the download process. Install Acrobat Reader. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the Adobe Acrobat installer file. So double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, you can launch Adobe Acrobat Reader from your applications or desktop shortcut. Use it to view, print, and comment on PDF documents. Remember that Adobe Acrobat Reader is free and allows you to access a variety of features including filling out forms, adding annotations, and sharing PDFs. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.